Alrighty guys, that just is our 2 bags of Doritos. We're doing 1 Cool Ranch, 1 Nacho Cheese. We have some red onions here. We have some Hatch green chilies, some taco seasoning for flavor, and we're using a bit of minced garlic. I am just gonna kind of let this get boiled, nice and congealed, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. All right, now that we've just had it boiling here for about 2 minutes, I am just going to start smashing and incorporating. Our chips have come to a nice, soft consistency. We're getting that corn product right out of them, along with that flavor locked in. This is looking really, really good. And we are just about to take this to our sink. We're just gonna strain out all of that excess water. You can see that beautiful paste that started to form in here. And we are just going to let all of this excess liquid drain right on out. Now that we've got our excess liquid out, we're just gonna add this back to our pan. Look at that gorgeous texture. So creamy already. And we're gonna pop this back on the stove. All right, we're adding in half a stick of butter. We're gonna put in just a splash of milk. I'm using reduced fat. Beautiful. And now we are coming in with our shrimp. These are a medium sized. I'm just gonna start stirring the shrimp in. They're frozen, but they're going to be cooked by the heat of our chips here. What were formerly our chips, now becoming a delicious Southern delicacy, one of our favorites. And this is a fun Southwest version that is so easy to make. You could do this when you're camping, you could do this with the kids, because like I said, it is just so simple. And this just came together in no time flat. You can use any cheese you want, but we are gonna do a rustic cut, Mexican style blend right on top, because you cannot have shrimp and grits without making it cheesy. All right, I'm just gonna let this sit for a minute and let that cheese get melted. Alrighty, it's looking amazing. Southwest shrimp and grits done the easy way. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is gonna be so delicioso. Let me get myself a big heaping bowl full. Did I get a shrimp in there? Where's all the shrimps at? There we go. Oh my goodness. Southwest style shrimp and grits. Oh my God. That is tasty. Y'all, this is so easy, so good. You gotta try it.